Artificial intelligence isn't taking your job, it's creating new ones, but only for those who have the right skills. So here are 10 AI skills that can make you rich by 2030. Number 10. Prompt engineering. The art of communicating with AI tools like ChatGPT. People are already earning thousands just by writing perfect prompts. Number 9. Machine learning. The core of AI. If you understand algorithms and data patterns, you're writing the future. Number 8. AI-driven marketing. Companies now need experts who can use AI to run ads, generate content, and analyze audiences. Number 7. Data analysis. AI needs data to learn, and analysts to interpret it. This skill is pure gold. Number 6. Automation and workflow design. Building AI workflows saves companies time and money, and they'll pay you big for it. Number 5. Chatbot development. From customer service to sales bots. This is one of the hottest freelance skills. Number 4. AI video and content creation. Using AI tools to produce short-form and long-form content fast. A booming creator economy skill. Number 3. AI cybersecurity. Protecting systems from AI-powered attacks is one of the highest-paying future jobs. Number 2. AI product management. Managing AI-based products is the new MBA. It's leadership plus tech equals $. Number 1. AI entrepreneurship. Using AI to build your own digital business tools, services, or automation agencies. Those who own AI tools won't just survive, they'll thrive. The future belongs to those who learn how to use AI, not fear it. So start building your AI skills today and secure your future. Subscribe Future Hustle for more insights on future jobs, AI, and digital skills.